Today we're talking about a topic that drives many budgie owners absolutely nuts. How do you tame budgies lovingly, stress-free, and with tons of patience? Welcome back to Welliness and Happiness Birdie's channel, the only place on the internet where budgies get more wellness than I do at a spa. Great to have you here again. If you dream of your little feathered friends coming to your hand voluntarily, and not just because you smell like millet, then stick around. I'll show you step by step how to build a real friendship with your budgies. And yes, it is possible. Even if your budgie currently looks at you like you're a vacuum cleaner with legs. What does taming even mean? Before we start, let's clear up what taming does not mean. It does not mean your budgie suddenly performs circus tricks. It does not mean you catch it like a Pokemon and it magically obeys. And it definitely does not mean you're the boss. Spoiler, you never are. The budgie is. Always. Taming means building trust, creating safety, being patient, accepting that every budgie is different. Some are brave little daredevils. Others are cautious, like someone trying online banking for the first time. Both are perfectly fine. Creating the right environment. Before training, you need the right setup. A budgie only learns when it feels comfortable, just like us. Budgies need a quiet location, not next to the washing machine, TV, or your heavy metal scream yoga. Enough space in the cage. No budgie wants to live in a one-room apartment. Places to retreat to. Everyone needs some me time. Other budgies. Budgies are flock animals, not solitary creatures. A relaxed atmosphere, so please don't rearrange the furniture every day. A calm atmosphere. If your budgies feel good, you've already won half the battle. The other half is patience. And millet. Lots of millet. The first days, just be there. When your budgies are new, the most important thing is do absolutely nothing. Sit near the cage. Talk softly. Read to them. Pretend to work while scrolling TikTok. They won't notice. Important. No waving hands. No grabbing. No, come here, I won't hurt you. No, I just want to pet you.
No, stop it.
Just presence and calmness. Building trust with food. Now comes the moment everyone waits for. Millet enters the chat. Step 1. Hold the millet outside the cage. Step 2. When they're okay with that, open the door and hold it in your hand. Step 3. Let the budgies decide how close they want to get. Most important rule. Do not follow them. If they back away, remove your hand. If they ignore you, don't take it personally. If they look at you like you're an alien, congratulations, that's normal. Once they eat from your hand calmly, you can take the next step. Hold your hand still inside the cage or near the perch. Move slowly, like a sloth on vacation. Speak softly, No motivational speeches like, "You can do it." Many budgies will eventually sit on your hand. Some need weeks, others months, and some, well, they need therapy first because they think your hand is a monster. All normal. Every bit of progress counts. Free flight and routine. During free flight, you can deepen the trust. Sit in a room. Hold visible millet. Let them decide whether to come to you. Routines are like Netflix series for budgies. If they know it's coming, they feel safe. Do it daily if possible. Yes, that means you're now a lifelong millet dispenser. Understanding body language. Budgies talk a lot, just not with words. Watch for. Relax feathers, all good, buddy.
Soft beak grinden, I'm chill. Fluffed feathers plus fast movements. Panic.
Everything is dangerous. Flying away, you're too much right now. Understanding this prevents misunderstandings. And your budgie won't think you're a giant crazy parrot. What to avoid? Please avoid grabbing into the cage like you're catching Pokemon. Loud noises or fast movements. You're not an action movie. Don't force training. Budgies aren't fitness influencers. Impatience, they'll notice it immediately. Don't compare them to other budgies. Every bird is unique. Some are more of an extroverted influencer, others more of an introverted bookworm. Taming is not a competition. It's a relationship. And relationships need time. And snacks. Mostly snacks. If your budgie eats from your hand, celebrate. If it comes closer, celebrate. If it watches you during free flight, celebrate. It may look small, but for your budgie, it's huge. Your positive energy helps them grow. I hope this video helped you understand how to tame your budgies with patience, love, and humor. If you liked the video, leave a like and subscribe to Welliness and Happiness Birdies channel. Tell me in the comments how far you are with your budgies and what topics you want next. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Stay welly relaxed and remember, more welliness, less budgie stress.